We're going to have a look at the new backup feature of memoQ, which was introduced in version 9. Here I'm running memoQ version 10.0, and as you can see in the dashboard here, I've only got a couple of projects visible. I have a bunch of projects sitting in the recycle bin, and what I want to do is see how well memoQ can transfer my configuration to a second computer. So I'm going to click the backup function, which will launch the external program that now manages memoQ backups. And I'm going to tell it to back up memoQ. I don't have any projects selected, so that's the only option that isn't grayed out. And here I see the list of things which I can back up. I want to tell it to back up everything. This also includes things like light resources, so it should back up things like my auto translation rules, my filter configurations, and so forth. Okay, I've chosen a place already where it should put my backup. So now I'm just going to go down and click the backup button. Now, because this is an external program, I have to close memoQ. So I'm going to go back to the memoQ dashboard. Close memoQ. And then click Continue. That was fast. Okay, so now I'm going to open the folder, and here I have my backup file, 89 megabytes. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer this to the other computer and restore it there. And here we are on the new machine, or rather an old machine, with the backup file. So let's simply double-click that to launch memoQ's backup program. Okay, as you can see in the list here, only the local project was backed up. So the server project I had was not backed up. So let's go ahead and let it restore. Now this screen has a lower resolution, so I have to scroll down to find the restore button at the lower right and click that. Okay, I want to let the content in the backup file take priority and restore. Okay, let's exit and open memoQ. The backup was restored into a higher version of memoQ, memoQ 10.1. Okay, here I see my local project. If I want that server project that was on the other computer, I'll have to check it out again from the server. And let's go up now to the resource console and see what I've got there. Okay, here I see all of my translation memories restored, my term bases, my LiveDocs corpora, auto translation rules, segmentation rules, filter configurations, and so on. So it's worked rather well.